impossible. For many, a word that cannot be defied. Only some have the determination to face seemingly insurmountable challenges, compelled by the desire to blaze a new path. November 2016 will never be forgotten by those who participated in airlifting the heaviest single piece ever transported in the Americas and the second heaviest in aviation history. The transport of a 182 metric ton transformer and weight distribution frame from Sao Paulo, Brazil to Santiago, Chile required the combined efforts of 5 companies located around the world. More than 200 people were involved in moving as quickly as possible a 155 metric ton transformer built by ABB in Sao Paulo for Colbún, an electric utility company in Chile. For an operation of this magnitude, Colbún entrusted the multi-million-dollar project to Bolloré Logistics, a leading French international logistics company.
Tuvimos 4 meses y medio para diseñar tanto el transformador como la cama distribuidora de carga o la estructura auxiliar para distribuir la carga y fabricar todo y juntar todo en el aeropuerto Guarulhos, armar el conjunto para que quede una sola pieza transportable y volar con el bulto a Santiago.
The Antonov AN-225, the largest aircraft in the world, is also known as Mriya, a Ukrainian word meaning dream. In actual fact, this is the only aircraft capable of fulfilling this extraordinary dream, a feat never attempted before on this side of the planet. The AN-225 was built in the Ukraine. Initially, it was used to transport the Buran space shuttle, but over the years, it became the most efficient air transport solution for megastructures. This giant of the air, 18 meters high, 84 meters long, and with an 88-meter wingspan, has a cargo capacity of up to 250 metric tons. It is so large that it is 10 meters longer and 10 meters wider than the Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger aircraft.
It's very important for us to make this flight because we are not so often be here. It's previous time we in Brazil 2010, 6 years ago. And now will make the heaviest piece of cargo flying in South America. That's why it's very important for us. I am proud to be pilot in this plane for this flight.
To perform the operation, a special steel frame had to be built to properly distribute the weight inside the aircraft. Otherwise, the 155 metric ton transformer would collapse the fuselage if loaded directly. This crucial element for the success of the operation was designed and built by LM, a renowned Swiss engineering firm.
A las 3 de la mañana llegó la estructura desde la Suiza, la descargamos en la noche, llegaron los técnicos y ahora en este momento estamos armando la estructura que va a distribuir el peso del transformador en el Antonov cuando será transportado a Chile.
Wir haben den Auftrag bekommen für die Antonov 225, den Transportgestell für den Generator für die ABW zu transportieren. Das Ganze ist 24 und 500 Kilo schwer, unser Gestell. Und wir hatten nur 2,5 Wochen Zeit, um das Ganze herzustellen bei uns in der Werkstatt.
On November 12, the frame arrived to Viracopos International Airport in Campinas, Brazil, aboard a Boeing 747 nose-loader from Switzerland, to be assembled and loaded into the Antonov 225. It was then transported 112 kilometers, a 40-minute flight, to Guarulhos International Airport in Sao Paulo. The operation between the two airports was necessary since Guarulhos Airport does not have enough parking areas to allow the giant of the skies to stay more than 24 hours, as it blocks normal operation of 8 commercial aircrafts. On the other side, Viracopos Airport does not have a sufficiently long runway for the Antonov to take off with the full load. For these reasons, the operation required the 2 airports. On November 15, a specialized work team initiates one of the project's most complicated processes, assembling the transformer with the frame. For this precision task, various pieces of equipment are installed on the Guarulhos Airport's runway apron. The minutes tick slowly by. Each movement of the transformer and frame are carefully planned. The tiniest error could spell the project's failure. After 15 non-stop hours of intense effort, the team successfully assembles the 2 units together. This assembly marks a major milestone in the project's development.
Esta operación ha sido un desafío gigantesco, ha llevado más de 5 meses de preparación, involucrando aeropuertos, aduana, autoridades en diferentes países, 3 charters simultáneamente que tenían que ser calzados a la perfección, y afortunadamente hasta el momento todo ha sido bien. Esperamos que llegue sin ninguna novedad a Santiago y terminar esta aventura excepcional.
But the hard work and complexity is not over yet. Now the huge cargo has to be loaded inside the AN-225, and the takeoff coordinated for the final 3,300-kilometer flight to Santiago, the capital of Chile. The historic flight lasted 4.5 hours. The 22 crew members and 8 professionals from the different companies landed at Comodoro Arturo Merino Benitez International Airport with no delay, exhausted but absolutely satisfied being safely on ground. The unloading of the transformer is programmed for the following day in accordance with aviation regulations to allow crew rest. The atmosphere becomes electric again. This is the final phase of the project. The team is only 6 more hours away to reach its goal and success. The unloading process is completed without delays. Now, the transformer will be transported to Colbún's Nehuenco Power Plant, located in Quillota in Chile's 5th region. Thousands of hours of preparation and work, hundreds of professionals, 182 metric tons of weight. A historic event in air cargo transportation, demonstrating that limits do not exist for those willing to face challenges that for many would be impossible.